Hey everybody, what's going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can, or rather explain to you guys how you can unlock the Bend Will Shout in Skyrim. So let's get right into it. First of all, I want to apologize for using screenshots. I'm doing this to save space on my drive and to upload the videos faster, so just bear with me. But yeah, anyway, the Bend Will Shout is used to actually tame, or rather temporarily tame and ride dragons, and this is a shout that is exclusive to the Dragonborn DLC, so make sure you have that, but you should have that if you have the Legendary Edition or higher. But yeah, this is a quest-related shout. You will need this to finish the main quest line of Dragonborn, and you will be given the quest objective to learn this shout. You will be given 3 locations of the Words of Power on the island of Solstheim through the main quest. It is, I think, at the summit of Apocrypha quest, which is the last one in the quest line. And after you get that option, you just need to go and learn the Words of Power, use the Dragon Souls to actually learn your shouts. And afterwards, your shout will be learned. You will learn the Bend Will Shout. You can use this, as I've said, to tame dragons. Shouting at a dragon will make it land, not crash like Dragon Rend does. And once they actually land, you can walk up to them and you click use on them, or rather the talk button, which on PC is E. And by clicking on that button, you will be able to ride the dragon, which is then useful for traversing the map quickly, because if you fast travel on a dragon, you don't use any in-game time. And other than that, you can also use it to attack NPCs and things like that, which you can give commands to your dragon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.